All this crap is just gonna weigh me down the whole time.
That wasn't nearly as bad as walking in the photo. No, right? Is there a coin or something?
Oh, there's no way. Looks like a dried up river right here. Matt, that's our team up there, right?
Personal, you tell me where to go, medic. Grab one back. Cav T, I got a Union Jack to give him. Where's the kit? Oh, I got it. Oil rig is secure. Drop two, man. This gun's nice. It's just a fucking mag. Does that mag work? Yeah, it works. Right. Bro, you see anyone?
Only like way back on the other side. I see one of them.
Is there a guy to the left?
There was. I don't know if he's still there. Oh wait, yeah, I see him walk. Oh, I'm hit. Yo, watch out. Hey, we're hit! We're hit.
Three more guys in the respawn. And they got if you guys don't come in 10 minutes, I'll let you go back. I think it was like a half hour where there's nobody here.
Are you getting shot at?
Are those guys on our team? Guys, come on. Are those guys on our team though? I don't know. Probably not. They're shooting at you. Yeah, out there? Where are they?
I haven't seen any of them.
Sorry. Sorry, spot them.
I'm just playing safe right now.
Alright. That's our guys over there. Our guys in the front anyway. Okay.
I'm being shot at. Okay, I'm hit. Fuck, man.